Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin C face serum. First, let's understand what this amazing product is. Vitamin C serum is a potent antioxidant designed to brighten your complexion, reduce fine lines, and protect your skin from daily environmental stressors. Before applying, ensure your face is completely clean. Use a gentle cleanser to remove all makeup and impurities, then pat your skin dry with a soft towel. This prepares your skin to fully absorb the serum's beneficial ingredients. Now, let's talk about how to apply it correctly. After cleansing, dispense about 3 to 5 drops of your vitamin C serum onto your fingertips. Gently press and pat the serum onto your face, neck, and décolletage. Avoid pulling or rubbing your skin too harshly. The goal is to distribute the product evenly and allow it to absorb naturally. Give it a minute or two to fully sink in before moving on to your next skincare step. Timing is crucial for maximizing your serum's benefits. It's generally best to apply vitamin C serum in the morning. This provides excellent antioxidant protection against environmental aggressors throughout the day. After cleansing and toning, apply your serum, then follow with your moisturizer, and most importantly, a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least 30 SPF. Be mindful not to layer it directly with strong exfoliating acids or retinoids, as this can reduce efficacy or cause irritation. To ensure your vitamin C serum remains effective, proper storage is key. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and air, to prevent oxidation. Before incorporating any new product, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin to check for any adverse reactions. Remember, consistency is vital. Using your serum daily for several weeks will allow you to see the most noticeable improvements in your skin's brightness and overall health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.